Daniel, my love, una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Lord sa buhay mo for blessing me, such a man of God. A kind-hearted person, humble at taong hindi naubusan ng pasensya. Kahit maraming beses at pagkakataon, napakahirap kong unawain. Pero hindi ka nagsawa na mahalin ako at intindihin. How to be you?
Abby, my love so sweet. I remember the first time I met you in person. I knew I wanted to be with you from the moment I laid eyes on you. I couldn't stop looking at you. Your eyes, your smile, you stole my heart. First moment, you spoke. Hindi ko lubos akalain na sa Taiwan pala kita matatagpuan. Pares tayong takot na sububok na umibig muli. Maraming question, hesitation, puro paramdam at takot. And to this day, I can't believe you choose me to be with you.
Ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. All of these ghosts, letting them go this time. So come behind. Ready to fall.
I remember the first day I saw you. Hindi ko inakala na yung taong hinahangaan ko lang magaling tumugtog noon. Eto na, nasa harap ko na. Mapapangasawa ko na. And also, I distinctly remember that moment when I prayed that, Lord, Daniel, my love, you are my answered prayer. And you are my heart's desire. Kaya I would not stop thanking God for giving me you. Ikaw yung patotoo at patunay na mahal ako ng Diyos.
I will always love you. How I do. I let go of a prayer for you. It's a sweet word. The table is prepared for you. Wishing you Godspeed.
Through good times and hard times, through sickness and health, through richer and poorer, by the grace of God, I'll always be with you at your side.
Still I'll always be there for you. How I do.
Actually, siya yung unang nakapansin sa akin. Pero hindi naman sa pagmamayabang.
I've been suicidal. You've been gone for weeks. If I'm undecided.
Ang dami noon nagsasabi sa akin na nasa Taiwan daw ako forever. Pero lagi kong sagot na walang forever. Kaya sa mga nasabihan ko po noon, binabawi ko na po, meron na.
I wanna get it right this time. 'Cause you're always on my mind. Oh, never lie.
Kaya nga ang bawat magkakasintahan, nagmamahalan, meron kayong tawagan. Ano ba yung mga tawagan nyo? Honey, love,
Darling, mahal kong asawa, sexy love, my beautiful abeng, because you are my everything. And you are my greatest reward and blessing from God. You've shown me more love than I've ever known.
Salamat dahil dumating ka nung panahon kailangan ko ng karamay. Inalis mo ako sa pagiging member ng nagmahal na saktan nag-abroad.
I wanna get it right this time.
vow and promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you as my husband. I vow to listen, to speak lovingly and calm, to give generously all of myself, to care, to heal, to rejoice, and to pray with you forever. And by the grace of God, I'll always be at your side. I will love you for all the days of my life. I love you so much, my love.
Caroline, get it right this time. Always on my mind. I wanna get it right. But you're on my mind. Oh, Caroline, I wanna get it right this time. So always on my mind. Oh, Caroline.
As my true soulmate, I choose you in 2020. I choose you today, and I will continue choosing you forever. Pangako na mamahalin kita habang buhay sa hirap at ginawa, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.